I like our annual barbecue when we get an update because we get an idea how the company does annually, what we're doing well, what we're not doing well financially, which is good to know, and usually the company does pretty well.
A lot of good people and a lot of different personalities, especially in my positions. I get to work with a lot of different people, from factory workers to salespeople, and people out in the field as well.
Everyone loves the coffee truck. We talk about it all the time.
You would think the sales side of it is what's important, but for me it's not. It's the service side that's important. So, because if you get the service side down, the sales is what follows. So that's what's important to me.
I love that everybody works together to make things happen, and I work with the nicest people ever.
People, quality, and legacy.
When I think of Smith Loveless and all the great history we have over 75 years, it brings to mind that despite 75 years, we are really only scratching the surface, and we have so much more to do and to give to the world with regard to water and wastewater. And our great innovative products are only getting better and really ultimately to help one main goal, which is protecting water and protecting people.